In this video, we're going to explore enumerations, also known as enums, in the C programming language. Enums are a powerful feature that allows you to define a set of named integer constants. This makes your code more readable and easier to maintain. Let's dive in. Consider a basic enum declaration. We declare an enum called days. Inside this enum, we define a set of named constants: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. These constants represent the days of the week. Let's explore how to use enums effectively in C. Enums have some key properties. By default, the first enum value is 0. Each subsequent value increments by 1. You also have the flexibility to assign custom values to enum members. Enum variables can only have values that are defined within the enum. Enums enhance code readability and make it self-documenting. Let's look at how to use custom values. We have an enum called months. January is assigned a value of 1, February is assigned a value of 2, March is assigned a value of 3, April is assigned a value of 4, and May is assigned a value of 5. After the declaration of enum, we declare a variable current month of type enum months and assign it the value of March. Enums work very well with switch statements. Consider this example where we have an enum called traffic light with values red, yellow, and green. A function handle traffic takes a traffic light enum as an argument. Inside the function, a switch statement checks the value of the traffic light. If it's red, the vehicle should stop. If it's yellow, prepare to stop. If it's green, continue driving. Enums make switch statements more readable and maintainable by using named constants instead of magic numbers. The compiler can also warn you if you forget to handle a case in your switch statement. Ultimately, enums create self-documenting code that clearly expresses intent. Let's explore some advanced techniques for using enums in C. Enums can be used with bit flags. Consider the permissions enum with values none, read, write, execute, and all. Each permission is represented by a bit flag using the left shift operator. For example, read is 1 left shifted by 0, write is 1 left shifted by 1, and execute is 1 left shifted by 2. User access is defined as read or write. If the user access has read permission, the program can perform read-related operations. Here are some best practices for working with enums. Use all caps for enum constants. Create bit flags with the left shift operator. Use typedef for cleaner syntax. Define first and last constants for iteration. Use enums instead of define for related constants. Document the purpose of each enum value. Let's look at a complete example that demonstrates the use of enums in C. We define an enum called weekday using typedef, which includes the days of the week from Monday to Sunday, and we also define days count. Inside the main function, we declare a variable today of type weekday and set it to Wednesday. An if statement checks if today is between Monday and Friday. If it is, it's a weekday. Otherwise, it's a weekend. Here are the key takeaways from our discussion on enums. Enums create named constants for better code readability. Use typedef to simplify enum variable declarations. Add a count value for iteration and validation. Enums are internally stored as integers. Enums are perfect for switch statements and state machines. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.